Raba mentioned, yes, it is the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So basically, he played a very pivotal role, important role in, keeping up the national integrity. He made sure that the country is not divided into different parts and it remained as one nation, one country. Okay, so he played a major role in uniting all of us as one country. So every year on October 31st, Rashtriya Ekta Divas, also known as National Unity Day, is celebrated, is observed to honor Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, an Indian freedom warriors. So for his iron will means very strong willpower. Okay, he made sure that whatever decision he has taken, he stick to it, no matter how many problems are on his path.
Hello everyone, today I'm representing West Bengal. I'm wearing a traditional West Bengali sari. It is red and white. Most Bengali women wear this sari for all occasions. Our famous festival is Durga Puja. Our famous sweet is Rasgulla. Durga Puja is also celebrated during Navratri and ends with Dasara. Now I'm going to say the Durga Stotra. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shakti Rupena Samastata Namastasai 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 Namo Namaha. I'm from Rajasthan actually.
Okay.
Alwar actually, you know that Alwar. I'm from
Yes,
Alwar.
I know Alwar.
The popular food Alwar is like Rajasthan is all covered with soil. It has no water and rain only comes a little. It is all covered with sand all around it, and we speak Rajasthan language. Like I can speak one word of Rajasthan language. Ram Ram Sai means Namaste. It means Namaste Ram Ram Sai. Hello everyone, my name is Tanvi. I belong to the state of Telangana. Telangana is a part of South India. Telangana is inspired by South Indian culture. Telangana is famous for weaving and dyeing techniques. Today I am wearing the traditional attire of Telangana, which is called Pattu Pavada in Pochampalli weaving style, which is famous in Telangana. Telangana cuisine food is a blend of Telugu and Hyderabadi. Telangana cuisine is inspired by the flavors of Persian and Mughalai, as it is ruled by Nizam for many years. Some popular foods of Telangana are Hyderabadi biryani, sakinalu, tamarind rice, dosa, and idli. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Naban. I'm from Mangalore, Karnataka. In Mangalore, there are many cultures and religions, but I chose to wear kurta. As in my culture and religion, we used to wear kurta every Friday. Mangalore is famous for their foods. Some popular foods are buns and goli bhaja.
Hello everyone, my name is Azza. I live in Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi is the capital of UAE, and the traditional food of Abu Dhabi is halisa and Arabic biryani. The traditional dress of Abu Dhabi is parda and shawl. Thank you.
Very good, Azza.